What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. And if you're new, my name's LJ and you're watching NoClutch Garage. And today we're obviously here at EuroMpire. We're going to be working on my car a little bit. Well, I'm not going to be working on my car, but I brought the car to EuroMpire to get my stainless lines done on the car. As you guys have already seen on my channel, I already did the stainless lines on my 340. If you need to see how that's done and the process, go ahead and look at that. This video is not going to be really in-depth per se. We're going to be mostly vlogging this, and so you guys are going to get to see some of that, but also a very special treat. This video is mostly focused on the actual installation of a fully custom exhaust that we're doing for my car. This is going to be a fully custom exhaust made by EuroMpire on my 240i, and the car already sounds pretty rowdy without an exhaust, just stock exhaust and a opened up for the wastegate. So we're gonna see how this really ends up sounding, because I have a feeling it's gonna be really obnoxious, but if I need to muffle it later, then we will. But for now, let's see what's going on. Stop. That's his way of telling me to stop recording him. We got the boys out here working hard. Look at that. So it looks like we're getting somewhere with this exhaust. Probably gonna try to route it a little bit differently than we had planned, because just the pipe, I mean, it's a 3.5 inch pipe. The pipe coming off the downpipe is a 3 inch downpipe, and then set to a 3.5. Matt over here working hard on this thing. It's not gonna be done today, but I just kind of wanted to see the progress on it. I think they're also gonna do my brake lines if they haven't already. Doesn't look like they have, but they're gonna do brake lines, stainless brake lines. I think we're gonna do service on the front diffs and the rear diff, and we'll be good to go. We're also gonna be fitting this resonator in there. Not really sure how that's gonna work out, because it is massive, but we're gonna fit it in there, try to help with some of the drone that's gonna be happening for sure. Hopefully that's enough. I don't really want to put a muffler on it, but if I need to put a muffler on it, we will. Alright, checking in on the car. Looks like he's a little frustrated. How's it going?
I'm gonna take a hole saw right here, like do a half cutout.
Dude, low key though, I would love a fucking fender exhaust. Huh? Yeah, but not with the bottom mount. It'd have to be top mount, right? Can you even get it over there? Yeah? Yeah. How would you do it?
How? You would you basically just cut a hole.
Isn't that a fucking footwell right there?
You're talking about like coming down this way?
No, like literally coming out through here.
The side? Yeah. So there's the so there's that, like, you know, there's like that space where like the that plastic panel goes. You would drill, you would cut a big hole through that, and then when it has to be higher up. Big stuff.
That's the progress on that right now. I'm actually really excited about this. Pretty excited about how this is gonna come out and turn out. We got these guys over here working right now. What you about to do?
Just tack it.
Keep it in place. Big as fuck, boy. That thing is chunky.
Don't talk about me like that.
It's robbing me like an inch, right? Off the bottom. Clearance?
Probably, yeah. Well, from here out, it's flat. On your stock exhaust, it's flat. It's oval.
It's oval, yeah.
Yeah, it goes back to round at the back, but this whole area.
So far, this is what we got going on here on the exhaust. I think Matt's working on some other stuff over there, but we have most of the pipe and the resonator, and then we're gonna do the end all the way to the back. There's gonna be no muffler, just that one resonator and straight pipe. And I can't wait to see what that looks like. It's gonna look kind of funny, especially considering I haven't switched out the wheels yet. But I'm excited. But with that, guys, I am done for today. I'm pretty sure Matt's about to head out too. This video's not over though, but I will be coming back tomorrow to record the rest of the process. So until then, I'll catch you guys. What's going on, guys? We're back. Day 2 of my car being basically at EuroMpire for this exhaust job that we're doing. Matt's about to show me what he has done so far and what we're about to do today. I think he's working on a Y pipe for the exhaust tips. That exhaust looks gnarly, I'm not gonna lie. It looks really big. What's going on here?
That's my windbreaker. My windscreen. See this? How I got it? It's nice and straight.
Actually, I really like how that looks.
This is the Y pipe that's going to split at the rear bumper. We run argon into the back of the side of the pipe called back purging, so the inside welds don't get what's called sugaring on it. It makes a much stronger and cleaner weld. What do you call it? Wind. So that's blocking the wind.
Yeah, I'm guessing it messes with the gases and stuff.
No, this is the arc.
With the what?
The arc. You'll see it actually below the arc.
Oh, really? Yeah. So why are we using aluminum foil over like something else?
So it doesn't melt.
Huh?
So it doesn't melt.
Oh, okay. Gotcha.
Yeah, like I have these purge plugs that work really well, but they can only handle so much heat before they...
Good one.
Yo, I think if you put a welding mask over that, you can see the weld. Hello?
What you doing there?
Looking at things. Eat me, I'm a snack.
Looks good, man.
I like it.
It's real fucking good.
I'm happy with the way it's lined up. It looks good. So I'm going to take it back down again and then weld all these.
Our fresh frozen custard.
I might make the
we crafted in small batches
called
for the
hanger.
to make our guests day.
And then that's pretty much it.
Sundays.
If you want to polish the tips, you can polish these with stainless steel. Make them shiny if you want.
And no match.
I have it so it sticks out a ½ inch when it's cold, from like right here. But when it's hot, it's gonna come out till it's here.
Is it? relocating the mount point for the exhaust because the exhaust, now that it's straight pipe, is going to be screwed up a little more. So we need another mounting point. So I made a hole right there to relocate it, and we have that mounting point there. There we have new mounting point. So this is the end result for the relocation. So we got the exhaust almost completed. He's getting ready to weld the rest of this right here, and then the exhaust will be pretty much finished. Alright guys, the car is now on the ground. We put the exhaust in. Dude, those tips look crazy. They look huge. Yep, so we're gonna fire it up and see what it sounds like. But huge shout out to Matt, man. This guy spent like 3 days making this exhaust, making sure it was perfect.
You ready?
Let's do it. Let's see what this sounds like. Yo, this doesn't even do it any justice. It's a lot quieter than I anticipated. That sounds deep. Oh my god. That turbo whistle is going to be nasty when it's rolling. Oh yeah, man. The man himself. Alright guys, so y'all heard the exhaust. I'm going to have some more exhaust noise videos coming up pretty soon. I'm not going to include them in this vlog. I'll probably include them in a separate vlog just because I'm running out of time on this video. And I don't want to make it too long. These vlog videos tend to be kind of like hit or miss for me as far as like people that view them and stuff. Yeah, but so far, man, it's got like a really good like depth to the exhaust. Like it's got a deep tone, and I really like that. That's really what I was looking for in an exhaust like this. That 3.5 pipe all the way back really helped with that. But right now, I think I'm gonna wrap things up, guys. Thanks for watching this video. I will definitely be making more videos with sound clips. I think he's got to go back and bleed the brakes again because they're still a little bit loose before I head out of here. And then just stay tuned for more videos. That's a custom exhaust. I posted some stuff on Instagram about it, and I'm already getting people trying to ask me if they're gonna make them, you know, like off the shelf and stuff like that. So anyway, guys, huge shout out to EuroMpire. Huge shout out to Matt, because Matt, like, he's been working on this car past 3 days, like I said, making sure that everything is perfect. Obviously, anything that comes out of this shop, we want it to be as good quality as we can, and so far that exhaust is meeting my expectations. So huge shout out to Matt, huge shout out to EuroMpire and the techs here. People did my brakes and stuff. Yeah, I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace.